Hey, welcome back to my channel, and as you see in the title, I'm going to be showing you guys a new product that I've been using to get my brows like they are now. And if you're interested in my technique, then keep on watching. So before I get into the video, please make sure you hit the So before I begin, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. So don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any and all future videos that I post on my channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are a fan of Maybelline products. So yeah, if you are interested in my technique and my brow game, then keep on watching. So this is the product that Maybelline recently released in the drugstore, and this is what comes in the package. If I'm not mistaken, I think it retails for $7.99 or $9.99, and I found mine in Walmart. And this is the product right here. And it does come with this little spoolie as well. I'm not really a fan of the two that are separate because you definitely will lose this little brush, and there's no way to attach it to the container or whatever. So yeah, so this is the wand. It's not a traditional brush that you would get on a spoolie. It's almost like it's little baby hairs when you put it on. It is messy. You do have to take your time, and you definitely will have to clean up your brows after using this product. And I'll show you in a demo of me actually doing my brows with the product. It is very pigmented, and the color that I got was called deep brown, and it's very it's very pigmented. It's again, it's very messy if you don't take your time, so it may take you a little bit longer to use this product and clean up your brows. So if you're not a fan of cleaning up your brows by using a brush or a pencil, then this product won't be for you. I like it for the pigmentation. The brush is really cool, but it is very messy, and you definitely have to clean your brows with concealer. you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. And I will have more videos on first impressions videos. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And so yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.